Welcome back, guys. I'm using a new tripod. Hope you guys see me pretty well. So what we'll be working on right here is this is for drill press, but I'm going to use it here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two bolts. I'm going to lay them flat in here. Gotta lay them flat. Turn it this way. These are both 9/16 bolts, I believe. I cut the heads of them off. And you may ask, well, why in the heck did I do that? I am going to show you. If I can get this without... I need my needle nose probably for that. Okay, as you can see right there, those bolts are lined up perfectly. I'm going to spot weld that. Just tack it real quick. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a drill. And I'm going to slowly turn it and slowly weld it. I might open my 030 wire from Blue Demon, and I don't know yet. I got some PNG in the machine right now. 030. So I might just go ahead and use that. But, yeah. So let's get the welding. Get the machine on this thing. Man. Don't know how the ground's supposed to work. Maybe that'll work like that. I don't know. So wire gun right here. Just basically go tack, tack. Gonna put on a Blue Demon gloves. I'm not gonna put on my apron because I am just gonna tack it real quick. But I am gonna put on some gloves. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. Hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. I highly recommend this 3350 series from Lincoln helmet. I freaking love the thing. It's auto darkening, of course. Let's get... Can't even see where it is. Okay, right there. Is that right where we want it? Right where we want it. Okay, I'm way too... Okay. Now we should be able to release that and be able to do something like that. And now you see I can put an edge on that. But I'll go ahead and every welder does forgets the dang ground. Kind of hard to weld without a damn ground on. Okay, that's very nice, very nice. Once I get the bench grinder back together, I'll just go take it over there and spend some time over at the bench grinder with it. We'll go ahead and and you may ask, what am I doing? I am making my own studs because I couldn't find these. I tried searching and I can't find them. I contacted a couple companies. They said they don't have them. They don't even know where to find them. So I just made them. Like what you see right here. Got some splattering up in there. Yeah, that's pretty well. Where's my welding axe? Want to get them. And I got a new company I'm planning on working with, so they're gonna change my outfit some. Okay. Now I ain't gonna directly touch that with my gloves because I believe that it can ruin these gloves. Open. Oh, touch this tip right there. So that's what we want right there. Grind that down. See, it started heating up my gloves, so I threw it to the side. Throw it to the side. Now we're going to basically repeat the process with this one. Cause you're with me, now you see. Gonna pause it for you guys. Okay. Got it lined up. Put the ground on. Turn it like that. Gonna do a couple tacks like last time. Then I'm gonna turn it up and weld it solid like I did last time. You gotta work with what you got. Okay. That's what we want. Get the welded solid. I need to get myself some welding blankets or a piece of sheet metal to put over this workbench, or get a different workbench built, because all the oil on it probably doesn't. See, I think I'm thinking it's smoking hot. So there we go. We built our custom studs. Now I just got to grind them down, throw them on the little tractor, and this should be with what I need, and use the help of our stinking Blue Demon welding gloves. Highly recommend. They're freaking awesome. They got the job done. Stepping on a piece of electric tape. Yeah, so I don't need my welder for anything else, so I'll go ahead and put it back down below the workbench. Would really like to get a cart for it. I have somewhat of a cart down at the ATV shop, but it's more of a tool cart and not a welding cart. Come on. Sneaking. Got all types of crap I got down here. Got a whole bunch of Blue Demon welding products I'll be trying out on the channel. So that's how you make custom studs. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.